Bending plastic is a fairly simple process. It can become very inefficient if not set up or run properly. Since bending is also a fast process, things can also go wrong very quickly. In this video, we will discuss how to make sure that you are set up to run as efficiently as possible. We'll also touch on some common quality issues and how to avoid or fix them. The goal with bending is to keep a steady pace with as little movement as possible. Always try to set up your line so that the unbent parts are on one side of the heater and a skid for bent parts is on the other side of the heater. This should limit the number of steps needed to grab a new part for the heater and put finished parts away. If the parts are small enough, keep some stacked in front of you on the heater so that you don't have to walk to the skid each time. As far as the actual bending of the part goes, the most efficient way is to always have parts on the heater and cooling fixture. The concept is to put one part on the heater, take the next part off of the heater, place that part in the cooling fixture, and remove the next part in the cooling fixture and place on a finished skid. Adjust the heater temperature so that there is no downtime between cycles. When the bending process is working correctly, parts can be bent at a rate of 200 plus parts per hour. For this reason, it is important to keep an eye on the quality of parts, as a lot of bad parts can be made in a short amount of time. Some of the things to look for are fingerprints, scratches, mark off, bubbling, and waves or bows. It is a good idea to wear gloves whenever possible, but especially on clear acrylic or printed parts. This will eliminate the possibility of getting fingerprints on the parts. Fingerprints on parts will need to be cleaned off before shipping, so wear gloves to eliminate that step. Scratches on a part will also lead to a part being considered bad. To avoid this, do not slide parts onto or off of the heater cooling fixture. Lift straight up and set straight down whenever possible. Mark off is seen when the heated portion of the part was either slid across something or set against a textured surface. Again, make sure you are not sliding the parts at all. If possible, do not let anything touch the heated portion of the part when it is in the cooling fixture. When that portion of the part needs to touch the cooling fixture, make sure the fixture is smooth and free of debris. Too much heat causes bubbling on a part. It could be that the part is being left on the heater too long. In this case, either try to speed up or turn the temperature down to match your speed. To avoid bows or waves in the parts, try using weights or a bar when your parts are on the heater. It is also helpful to do the same to the part in the cooling fixture. This is especially useful on materials under an 1/8 inch thick.